Look at Jada. She's gonna be 5 weeks tomorrow, and she's smiling. Give me smiles. Give me smiles. Say, Lucy, I'm home. Bless you. Bless you. Yeah. Yeah, look at you. Aren't you just the sweetest thing?
She's not gonna smile now here.
He said, oh no, Tyler's here. Oh no. And look, I got out of my cloth diaper. Who would have thought it would fit me because it looks so big? Jada. Jada.